There are many blondes in that City collection by Beltress. And so we want to take a look today at 3 of them to see what might be the best one for you. I'll do my best to explain each of them, but even I learned something when I do a side-by-side. What I'm wearing here is Santa Barbara in that collection in beige, linen, blonde R. And that color code is 16, 22, 613, and an 8. So it is neutral leaning warm because it has some of those baby gold. And it's just enough lightness and brightness around the face without being a super pale blonde. It's hugely dynamic. It features a medium soft brown root. I have a neutral skin tone. I like a neutral color. In fact, if there's a touch of warmth, it doesn't have to be gold, it just has to be a touch of warmth to the color. It really brings my skin tone to life a lot better than just a stark platinum. But I do love my platinum highlights, guys. And we're gonna find that here on this Milkshake Blonde R. So the Milkshake Blonde R, shown here on Santa Barbara also, is a 12, a 19, a 23, and an 8 root. That sounds familiar because that's a similar color code as the Butterbeer Blonde and also the Shaded Biscuit by Raquel Welch. So you're gonna see some deeper light sandy brown with some ash, some light ash blonde, and then some pale ash blonde, almost platinum in the highlight, and a medium root. And then back here on my mannequin, I actually have Newport by Beltress in the City collection in the color Crushed Almond R. Crushed Almond R is a 14-17-101 S18. The Crushed Almond R has some sandy notes to it, some honey sandy notes, medium-ish, and then within that you're going to see a pale ash blonde plus some platinum, and that's supposed to be on a light brown root. We're going to do a comparison of the rooting too while we do these side by side. So let's do our side by side comparisons of the Beige Linen Blonde R, the Milkshake Blonde R, and the Crushed Almond Blonde R.